You're welcome to today's class. In today's class, I'll be looking at research projects. This class will be full of, let me say, practical aspects of research. I'm not here to divide research, types of research, and so many others like that. No, what I'm here to do is to tell you how you can write a project on your own without giving contract to someone to write for you. First thing, how to frame a researchable topic. How do you frame a researchable topic? This is the problem that most students face at undergraduate and postgraduate level. You will see some students at postgraduate level going to their supervisor with undergraduate topic. And the supervisor will reject the topic. That, oh, this topic is undergraduate topic. So supervisor will not even tell their student that this is undergraduate topic. They will just say, oh, I'm not interested in, no, this topic is not okay. This topic is not good for you. There are things that you have to put into consideration when framing your topic. Firstly is the dependent and independent variable. These have to come in place. If you have already identified a problem, at first, okay, you identified a problem. When you have identified a problem, for instance, teachers, the way they are teaching in school, or probably their knowledge of some educational technology applications are not too okay, then you now decided that how can you do a study that will now help teachers in developing their teaching skills. You now think of, oh, what if they are sending teachers on training? That is something like in-service training. Now you have identified what are you interested in. Increasing the job performance of teachers through what? Through in-service training. Now let's formulate this as a research topic for undergraduate students. Undergraduate topic here now. You can see this. The impact of in-service training on teachers' job performance. This is a good topic, undergraduate topic. The impact of in-service training on teachers' job performance, in brackets, a case study of Nsukka local government area, Enugu State, that is Nigeria. Now, in-service, you have a key point here, which is in-service. You have another one here, which is what? Job performance. These are your two key points in this topic. Which one is your dependent variable? Which one is your independent variable? As you can see that job performance, the way a teacher will perform on the job actually depends on the kind of training the teacher have gone through, which is in-service training. Then job performance is not the dependent variable, while in-service training is the independent variable. If your supervisor can say these two things, then you will like, wow, this student know how to frame a research topic. Another one is, the second one here, we have influence of poor parental upbringing on female juvenile students' abnormal behavior. A case study of selected private schools in Lagos. Now, you notice that this is having a case study, this is also having a case study, simply because they are undergraduate works. But it's not mandatory you put a case study of so there. You can just continue it by saying that student abnormal behavior in some selected private schools in Lagos. You can just put it like that. It's not mandatory that you have a case study of. At undergraduate level, when you still make it a case study of, the reason why you are getting a case study into brackets here is that it limits the numbers of words of your topic. Simply because at undergraduate level, some school might tell you that you should not have more than 15 words, don't have more than 12 words, don't have more than 18 words. While at postgraduate level, you can have up to about 24 words. Now, influence of poor parental upbringing. This poor parental upbringing on juvenile student abnormal behavior. The abnormal behavior is the what? Is the dependent variable, which is now depending on poor parental upbringing. When a child have a poor parental upbringing, what will be the effect? It could lead to abnormal behavior. So abnormal behavior is depending on poor parental upbringing. Is depending on parental what? Upbringing. Now, for this postgraduate topic, in this postgraduate topic, you will notice that nothing like a case study here. The case study has been removed from this postgraduate topic. This first topic, let's This topic suits master's research thesis. It says, effects of YouTube videos on secondary school students' academic achievement in mathematics in Ashanti region, Ghana. Effect. The word effect shows that the work is an experimental work, not survey work. This is a survey work. When we get to chapter 3 of this video, we will be explaining different types of designs. Now, effect of YouTube videos on secondary school students' academic achievement in mathematics in Ashanti region. This is an experimental work. The variable here, you have YouTube videos, you have academic achievement. You can see now, YouTube video is the what? Is the independent variables. While academic achievement is the dependent variable because it's depending on YouTube videos. When a set of students are taught mathematics using YouTube videos, what will be their performance? So their performance now depends on the YouTube video that was used in teaching them. Now, effects of YouTube videos on secondary school students' academic achievement. The academic achievement is now your dependent variable, while YouTube video is your independent variables. Mathematics is the subject. That means the study is being anchored on mathematics. The instrument you will set for such work like this will be mathematics, maybe mathematics achievement test. In Ashanti region, Ghana, Ashanti region is the study area. At the master's level, you have to be very careful of your study area. If it's reflecting in your topic, it's not mandatory that the study area should reflect in your topic. You can also stop at mathematics to save you from using more words in your work. But if you want the study area to reflect, then you have it that is in Ashanti region, Ghana. Don't say in Ashanti state. Ghana is not using state. When you are not using the word state for Ghana, it will not look like, which kind of study is this? It looked like a copied work that you just copied the topic from somewhere. So it will be Ashanti region because Ghana use region. So Ashanti region, Ghana, the study, that is where the study will be taking place. Now you can see that it's having only two variables, which is okay for master's work. 2 variables, 3 variables work are okay for master's work. But when you are submitting this kind of topic for PhD, your supervisor will not approve it. Your supervisor will be complaining, especially African supervisors, that will they prefer more variables for your PhD work. Even if it is survey or non-survey, experimental, they like more variables work. For instance, this example 2 here, effects of YouTube videos and Edumodụ instructional technology on secondary school students' achievement, interest, and retention in economies in Jakarta province, Indonesia. When you look at this topic, effects of YouTube, effects of YouTube videos, we have YouTube videos and Edumodụ instructional technology on secondary school students' achievement, interest, and retention. This makes it, you have what here? 5 variables in this topic. 2 independent variables. The independent variables here are the YouTube videos and the Edumodụ instructional technology. They are independent variables. While the dependent variable now is achievement, the student's achievement in economics is depending on the YouTube videos and the Edumodụ instructional technology the teacher will use to teach. Likewise, the interest, how students will have interest in the course economics also depends on the YouTube video the teacher used and the Edumodụ instructional technology. Now, how will the student also retain the knowledge? Will they be able to retain knowledge very well when YouTube is used or when Edumodụ is used? So these 3 are the independent variables which you are now checking on this independent, are the dependent variable which you are checking now on the independent variables. Now then you have 5. Advantage of these 5 variables is by the time you finish your PhD program, you will be able to extract as many as possible papers from your project. In economics, in Jakarta province, Indonesia, at PhD level also too, you have to be careful of your study area. You don't use a local government, a small unit area. Let your study area be a very wide place, use a wider area, let it cover a bigger place. Don't just say that local government. No. Let it cover like a state, a region, and so many others like that. So that will actually make your supervisor to be happy to approve your topic and give you a proper guide on your work. In the next video, I will be explaining the chapters in a project. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.